Alright, we have a situation here. You can see this bushing here, control arm. What happened was the bolt of the bushing, there's so much rust that it welded into the bushing itself. So now you can't really remove it, even though the bolt is already gone, because if you spin it, the bushing will go along with it. You can see. So there's no way we can get it out. So you have to get the bolt out of the bushing. So what are you gonna do? So let's try this. Here, this is how I do it. So here's how I do it. I jam a chisel, just enough small chisel, just enough to block the bushing from spinning. So I jammed it there. So now, and also don't forget to put some lubrication in there, WD-40 or anything with that nature, so it will help to lose the rust that inside of the bushing. So now, yeah, see that? Now it releases, right? At the same time, those penetrating oil helps to soak the rust from the inside. Let's put some more oil there. This definitely helps. You gotta have one. You gotta have one of these. Yeah, it's coming out. Here it is. So as you can see the rust there, so that you have to break, and this chisel here that jammed into there to the bushing really helps. So just a tip if you have this situation. There's another way if you have a torch and everything, but this is a lot safer, right, and efficient. Thank you for watching.